Good day everyone. I am Vamsi Mudila, a student from the University of Liverpool. Today I will be presenting a preview of my project which focuses on visualizing historical gender diversity in computer science publications. This project is being carried out under the supervision of my esteemed mentor Patrick Rodske. The aim of my project is twofold. Firstly, to understand and map out the trends of gender diversity in the field of computer science research over time. The analysis will be done on a comprehensive public database called Database Systems and Logic Programming, which is also called as DBLP. This houses an extensive collection of computer science research papers. Secondly, I intend to translate this understanding into a user-friendly interactive website where the findings can be visualized. The purpose is to spark conversation around the subject of gender equality within the field of computer science and to provide an insightful resource for those interested in understanding gender diversity in this area. To set a strong foundation for my work, I have undertaken a rigorous study of several key literature and background readings. These encompass a broad array of subjects ranging from understanding the DBLP database, techniques of gender assignment, data visualization techniques, to data analysis and interpretation. Each of these texts provides invaluable insights into the field, equipping me with a comprehensive understanding of the domain. Currently, I am at the stage where I am getting hands-on with the DBLP database, acquainting myself with the data structures, attributes, and how best to extract information from it. Parallelly, I am investigating various techniques to assign gender to author names based on the information available. Also, I have started exploring different data visualization techniques to present the data in an engaging and easy to understand format. All of this, of course, while strictly maintaining ethical guidelines and data privacy rules. Here is an overview of the developmental and implementation process that I will be following during the course of this project. The initial steps involve establishing a connection to the DBLP database to fetch the raw data, followed by parsing this data into a structured format using a custom XML parser. With the structured data, I will then classify author names into their respective genders, utilizing either a gender API or a custom machine learning model. Subsequently, this data will undergo a comprehensive analysis to identify trends in gender representation in the field of computer science research. These findings from this analysis will be translated into visually impactful presentations using libraries like Matplotlib and Plotly. Finally, all of this will culminate into a user-friendly web application where users can explore and interact with the findings. Here is a mock-up of the web interface I will be developing. It's designed to provide a clear and interactive visualization of my findings. Navigation bar. It's at the top and helps the user to get around the site. Home page. The first page the user sees, giving a quick idea of the site. The content pages. Here's where all the data and charts are found. About page. Want to know more about the project? The user can check this page out. Contact page. If the user wants to reach me, this is where they go. The footer is at the bottom, containing important links and social media handles. The primary data source for this project is the DBLP Computer Science Bibliography, The DBLP database is public, regularly updated, and well structured, making it ideal for this project. All author names will be used anonymously during the gender classification process, adhering strictly to ethical guidelines and data privacy rules. Additional anonymized datasets will be utilized if required. And coming to testing, a robust testing procedure will be carried out for this project. This includes unit testing, where each individual component will be tested separately, followed by integration testing to ensure smooth interaction between components. The website will undergo interface testing, where the web application's response to our user actions will be assessed. Performance testing will be conducted to evaluate the system's performance when handling large amount of data. And of course, usability testing will be performed to ensure that the application is user-friendly and intuitive. Then, coming to the evaluation, in terms of evaluation, various metrics will be utilized. The accuracy of the gender classifier will be checked against the known author genders. The statistical strength of the trends identified will be validated using appropriate statistical tests. The quality of the visualizations will be assessed based on peer and advisor feedback. User feedback will determine the usability of the website, and ethics and privacy compliance will be ensured by strict adherence to guidelines and privacy rules. Ethics play a pivotal role in the execution of this project. I will strictly adhere to the public data use guidelines set by the DPLP database. It is important to respect all gender identities and refrain from labeling individuals. Privacy will be ensured by keeping data anonymous during analysis and visualization. Consent will be obtained prior to testing, and all feedback will be anonymized. Transparency will be maintained regarding the methods and process used throughout the project. This timeline represents my project plan, detailing the steps I have taken and the ones I plan to take, ensuring a smooth progression through different stages. In planning for the future, it is crucial to anticipate potential risks and prepare for them. Risks identified include hardware and software failure, running out of time, programming problems, data loss, and personal issues. I have devised contingency plans for each, such as regular backups, software updates, effective task prioritization, regular debugging and testing, and scheduling buffer time for unforeseen circumstances. In conclusion, my immediate future steps involve establishing a connection to the DBLP database, sorting out the data, assigning gender to author names, and learning how to best visualize the data. As I progress, I plan to refine my data handling, commence with website development, and conduct through thorough testing to ensure reliability and usability. My ultimate aim is to present clear trends in gender representation in computer science research, using my website as a platform to spark important discussions about the diversity in the field. Here, I would like to share the references that I have utilized during my research so far. These have been instrumental in guiding the direction of the project and have provided invaluable insights and methodologies. Thank you very much for your attention and time. It was my pleasure to share a preview of my project. I welcome any questions or suggestions you might have about my upcoming work.